Hello everybody and welcome to VEG TV. I'm your host Jack. Last week I said Harold Jenkins, who was I? And only a couple of you knew right off the top of your head who Harold Jenkins was. Harold Jenkins was Conway Twitty. That was his real name. I'll leave it up to you to go find out how and why his name was changed to Conway Twitty. You'll find out. It's really interesting, it's really scientific, and you'll probably not thank me when you do. You have probably noticed by now that the video does not look too stellar, and that's done for a reason. And that is the date and time stamp you see at the bottom of your screen. Today's video is actually being recorded on a potato. No, I'm goofing. Today's video is being recorded on a JVC GR-AX41U. This is a VHS-C video recorder. And I'm doing this video in one take, unedited. So if I goof up on my grammar or stutter, stammer, or say a lot, you understand that it's purely unedited. And this is just so you can see that there's absolutely no tomfoolery done on my behalf. With that said, let's go ahead and do our contest. Now remember, the contest rules are you have to be a current subscriber and you have to live in the lower 48 U.S. states. Again, my apologies to my international subscribers. If there is any way I could send my junk to you, I would. But just to ship this Echo Dot from California to England, it would have cost anywhere from $40 to $200. And that's absolutely retarded for an item that you could buy for $30 to $50. So, as you can see, it is really not conducive to do such a thing. So, hope you understand. Maybe one day I might do that. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And let me put some thought into that. If we could do that, maybe I will ship to one lucky international subscriber. So share. I'd appreciate that. Spread the word. Anyway, let's get this show on the road. Now what I'm going to do is go up to my video for the contest, which you can see right here. Now you can't see it, I'm out of screen, but I'm going up to copy the URL, come back here to this website and paste it. We're going to hit this button here and it's going to find out how many comments is there. Alright, 17. I'm going to click this button here and it's going to populate our winner. So here we go. Ooh, ah. Hey, fantastic. Look at that. Millennium Edition 56. Buddy, you are the winner. Congratulations. Everybody join in. Young man, go ahead and send me a PM through YouTube. And for those that don't know what a PM is, it's a private message. Contact me through YouTube's private messaging system. Send me your mailing address. Ensure that it is correct, because as stated, your your mailing address is going to be in the to and the from section. So if for some dumb reason it gets lost, it's going to find its way back to you. So fantastic, everybody. I want to thank you very much again for not only joining in on this contest giveaway thingy, but also, most importantly, for being a subscriber and following along on my little dorky cheesy videos. I know at times they might not be too exciting for some as they are for others. I try to give a little mix and not get stuck in a paradigm of one thing, but try to cater to a I don't want to say a larger audience, but how about a wider range of interests? And those interests are basically, I guess, mine. But hopefully you guys also enjoy them as well. So again, everybody, let's give a big hand to Millennium Edition 56 for being the winner. And buddy, this will be out to you just as soon as it can. I'll keep you abreast of when it does go in the mail, hopefully this week soon, or as soon as I get your address. Everybody, thank you for coming along, and we will catch you in the next video. See you then. Bye for now.